Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off last seen on Instagram. Firstly, you need to go to your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you are here, just tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings and privacy. Now when you are here, you just have to scroll down until you see this option how others can interact with you, and you can see this first option, messages and story replies. Just tap on it, and then what you need to do is locate the next section called who can see you are online, and then click on show activity status. So click here, and as you can see, it then says allow account to follow and anyone you message to see when you are last active or currently active on Instagram apps. So if this is turned on, what you want to do is turn this off like this, and you can then go and hide your activity status. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.